Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Now here we have to scroll down and find advanced option, where we have here quick launch camera. And now to do this, we have to just click on this button, and when we double click our power key, we are going to quickly launch our camera as it says. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.